How to play music in Discord. Hey guys, this is Lucy with another video. Let's get to the video without any delay. I created this new server in my Discord in order to listen to music. In order to do that, I would be needing a bot. So what you're gonna do is go to your browser and in a new tab, search for top.gz. So this site is for all of the Discord bots. There are several bots, not only music, but there are several other Discord bots here. You're just gonna search for the one you need in the search bar. So I will search for Greenbot because this is really famous for music. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the Greenbot. Now, what I will do is click on this invite button. You can also read its instructions, its details here below. In order to set this up, you need to click on invite and you'll be taken to your Discord tab. So click on continue to Discord and you will see this menu. You just need to click on which server you want to add and click on continue. After that, you need to check all of these. You just need to uncheck that and click on authorize. So it will ask you if you're human. Just click on I am human and it's a success. Now go back to your Discord and click on continue. Again, authorize. And as you can see, the green bot has been added to my server. So what you need to do in order to use this is that you need to go to one of the voice channels in your server. So this is the general channel. I'm just gonna get in here and give command to greenbot. So if you type asterisk and help, it will show. If you type /help, then you will find all the commands. Click on view all commands and you will see all the commands in this bot. So what you need to do in order to play a song is that you need to press / and type play and click on the first option here and type the song you need. Press enter and it will start playing the song here. So if you don't want it to play or if you want to pause it, you can type /pause pause, or if you want your green bot to stop, you can also type stop here and it will stop playing the track that you are playing. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.